If you're dealing with facial swelling, puffiness, or just feel like your face looks off, I get it. After lymph node surgery and chemo, the area under my eyes started swelling, and it felt like the lymphatic fluid in my face was just stuck. I was honestly really self-conscious about how I looked. I tried everything: ice, massage, drinking more water, and nothing was really helping. Frustrating when you're doing all the right things and still not seeing a difference. That's when I found this lymphatic contour face brush, and it's made such a difference for me. You get one facial brush with ultra soft, flexible bristles. It's designed to support lymphatic drainage, help reduce puffiness, improve skin texture, and help your skin absorb better. What I do is use it on clean skin or after applying a serum or moisturizer and before makeup. You work from the center of your face outward, under your eyes, lightly sweeping towards your temples, and down along your jawline towards your neck. You always want to move down toward your lymph nodes to help drainage. I usually do this for a few minutes a day, nothing crazy. It's super gentle, no scratching or irritation at all, even if your skin is sensitive. If you're dealing with puffiness or facial swelling, this is definitely worth trying because feeling comfortable in your skin again, it's everything.